Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hello everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today we're going to be bringing you a Hsing Chuan form, Chuan, which is the metal element or splitting form. We're going to take you step by step through that form. But before we get there, I need you to go click the boxes to like and subscribe and hit the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you so much for all your support and have a great day.
All right, folks, today we're going to start Chuan. Chuan is the metal form in Hsing Chuan. So the mindset is like an axe falling. Okay, P means to split. So here we go, we're going to open it. We're going to turn slightly to the right, both arms come up, and I'm going to sink down. The opening here is the same as the Santi meditation. My right fist is going to come up. My left hand, I'm going to drop this down a little bit, is going to hide behind it. So I'm going to come up, and I'm going to drop here. So the fingers are pointing up, the waist is pointing up, the rear hand drops down to the waist. This is your Santi meditation, but it is also the Chuan form, and this is where we're going to move. So moving from here, we're going to rotate the waist. Now there's two ways to do this. We can pull back or just turn forward, and we'll get into application later. So from here, rotate, my foot's going to come forward, the fist comes up, the other hand comes behind it, steps, and arrives together. Okay, so let's just look at that at a different angle. Opening, I rotate, I sink down. Right hand comes up, left hand comes over the top and lands. And we'll walk. I'm going to rotate to my left, step out left, right hand comes over the top and drops. So you can walk as many times as you like, forward and back. Rotate, step out 1 and 2. One more time in this direction. Rotate, step out 1 and 2. When I turn, I'm going to turn to the inside, cover low, rotate the hand up, and then again step forward. I'll step out, back hand comes up and drops, and we walk. The Hsing forms are nice and short. Come through 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Rotating to turn again, coming out, 1 and 2, and then we close. So when you're practicing these forms, start very, very slow. Gradually increase the jing and the energy that you use. And the goal with this form is just to work up to 15 minutes, walking up and back, up and back. Okay? Let's now put some internal into it so we can work it a little better. Open up, drop, open the form. Here what I'd like you to do is just focus here on this finger for 3 breaths. And I'd like you to work your Taoist enabling breathing. Inhale, pull up on the dantian, draw the energy up the back to the big spine point. Exhale, let it flow down the arms and out the palm. So you want to hold this for 3 breaths. On the 4th breath, as I feel it come up the spine, now I'll start to move as I exhale. Exhale, 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2, 3 breaths. The 4th breath, turn, strike, strike, and strike. So you want to combine the internal with the external. They say steel wrapped in cotton. Once again, this is Chuan form.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.